Have you ever reached the end of the month wondering where your paycheck disappeared to? Do you keep telling yourself, next month I'll save better, but that next month never comes? On today's episode of Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, we're tackling the question that can change your entire financial life. What percentage of your salary should you save every single month? Don't click away. This might just be the financial reset you've been needing. Welcome back to Cash Stuffing and Budgeting, the home of real stories, realistic money habits, and the hustle to build wealth one envelope at a time. Whether you earn $500 or $5,000 a month, the truth is this: how much you save is more important than how much you earn. Today, we're going deep into a question that everyone asks but few people fully understand. What's the magic number? Is it 10%? 20%? Should you be saving 50% of your paycheck? Or are you doing okay with just 5%? If you've ever felt guilt for not saving enough, or confused by financial advice that feels out of reach, you're not alone. This video is here to break it all down, realistically, practically, and with zero judgment. Why saving is crucial. Let's keep it real. Saving money is hard. Between bills, debt, rising rent, groceries, and the daily temptations of online shopping, saving can feel impossible. But here's the thing: savings give you freedom. Freedom to quit a toxic job. Freedom to move to a better place. Freedom to invest in yourself. And most importantly, freedom to breathe. A saved dollar is not just money, it's peace of mind. And no, you don't need to be rich to start saving. You just need a plan, and today, I'll help you find yours. The 50/30/20 rule. The most popular savings model out there is called the 50/30/20 rule. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills. 30% goes to wants, dining out, Netflix, fashion. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. It's a solid starting point. But here's the truth: it doesn't work for everyone. In cities where rent eats up 60% of your paycheck, this rule can make you feel like a failure. That's why we're going beyond the basics today. Reality check: budgeting by income bracket. The percentage you save shouldn't just be based on a rule, it should be based on your reality. Let's break it down by monthly income bracket. If you make $1,000 to $2,000 per month, try saving 5 to 10%. That's $50 to $200. Focus on building an emergency fund first. If you make $2,000 to $4,000 per month, aim for 15 to 20%. Split savings into short-term, like travel, and long-term, like retirement or debt payoff. If you make $4,000 plus per month, push towards 25 to 30% savings. Start investing and stuffing envelopes with specific future goals in mind. Don't let Instagram or TikTok shame you into saving more than you realistically can. Saving something is better than nothing. My personal savings story. Let me tell you a quick story. Just a few years ago, I was stuck in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living. Every month, I'd swear I'd save more. I even printed out budget sheets, made cute envelopes, and watched hours of cash-stuffing videos. But the truth was, I was saving randomly. $10 here, $50 there. No consistency. No strategy. Then I asked myself a simple question: what if I treated saving like a bill I had to pay every month? That's when everything changed. I started saving 15% of my salary no matter what. I paid myself first, before rent, before groceries, before anything. It was hard at first. But month by month, envelope by envelope, that little stack of savings grew into something real. And now I want that for you too. The best cash stuffing strategy by percentage. Here's a powerful way to start your savings journey. Step 1. Know your net income. That's your take-home pay after tax. Step 2. Commit to a savings percentage. Start with 10% if you're new. Go for 20% or more if you've got fewer expenses. Step 3. Break down your savings envelopes. Emergency fund, 40% of savings. Sinking funds, like travel, Christmas, 30%. Long-term goals, like a car or house, 20%. Fun fund, 10%. Yes, you deserve it. Example: if you save $400 this month, it would look like $160 to emergency, $120 to sinking funds, $80 to long-term goals, $40 to fun fund. The magic is in consistency, not perfection. What happens when you don't save? Let's talk about the dark side. Not saving can cost you more than you realize. Emergency car repair. You borrow from a loan app with 20% interest. Lost your job. You panic, rack up debt, and spiral. Opportunity to invest or travel. Missed because you had zero backup. Not saving isn't just about missing out. It's about putting your future at risk. You don't need to be rich to start saving. You just need to be consistent. How to automate savings, even with cash stuffing. You might ask, if I do cash stuffing, how do I automate savings? Here's how. 1. Transfer to savings first. Before you even stuff envelopes, move your chosen percentage to savings. 2. Withdraw only what you budgeted. Take out just enough cash for your stuffing categories. 3. Use a no-touch envelope. Make a do not touch envelope just for savings. Treat it like it doesn't exist. 4. Set up mobile banking alerts. Alerts can remind you when you're slipping or help you celebrate milestones. You don't need fancy apps. You just need discipline and visual cues. Saving on a low income. Yes, it's possible. One of the biggest myths is that you can't save if you don't earn much. That's false. In fact, people on lower incomes often become the best savers. Why? Because they understand the value of every dollar. Try this. Save $1 per day. That's $30 per month. Save every $5 note you get. Use the 52-week challenge. Start with $1, add $1 more each week. Savings aren't just for the wealthy. They're for the wise. The mindset shift. Saving is self-respect. Saving isn't about punishment. It's not about saying no to fun forever. It's about saying yes to your future. When you save money, you're telling yourself, I deserve stability. I believe in my goals. I am worth preparing for. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Questions to ask yourself monthly. Every month, ask yourself these. 1. What percentage of my income did I save? 2. What category did I overspend on? 3. What envelope made me feel proud? 4. Can I increase my savings by 1% next month? These questions turn money into mindfulness. Your 30-day challenge. Join me now. I've got a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, pick a savings percentage and stick to it. Doesn't matter if it's 5%, 10%, or 25%. Comment below with your number. I'll be checking and replying to every single one. Let's do this as a community. One envelope, 1 month, 1 paycheck at a time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's on a savings journey. Don't forget to check out our last video, How I Paid Off $10,000 of Debt in 1 Year. I'll link it below. This is cash stuffing and budgeting, and remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. I believe in you. Let's save smart and live free.